If you're running a cash-only business like a food truck or a small coffee shop, for instance, then having a credit card option is essential, especially now that more and more people are paying with cards and apps. Having this option can really give you an edge in securing more sales and boosting your revenue. So today, I'm sharing some of my top picks for credit card processing companies. Speaking as someone who runs a few businesses, I know from experience that it's tough to establish a trustworthy reputation and be taken seriously unless you offer both in-person and online credit card processing. But when you provide your customers with the type of payment options that work for them, that translates into more traffic for your business and a healthier bottom line. Now, without further ado, let's check out some of these services. All right, starting off with Paysafe. They're a global payment and credit card processing provider that operates in 120 global markets. Paysafe supports all major payment methods, including credit cards, digital wallets, direct debit, and bank transfers. Plus, they offer 70 different localized payment options, covering in-store, online, cross-border, and mobile point-of-sale systems, giving you around 250 ways to accept payments if you open a merchant account with them. And I know credit card processing can get pricey for small businesses, but Paysafe's Interchange Plus plan is available to eligible U.S. businesses for a flat rate of $7.95 a month, with transaction fees of 0.5% plus 10 cents for both swiped and online transactions, much lower than the average. And for an additional $25 a month with transaction fees of 3% plus 30 cents, high-risk businesses like dating services and gambling sites can use Paysafe's gateway, powered by Authorized.net, to securely accept credit card payments in multiple currencies through online processing that integrates smoothly with most websites. Now, when it comes to payout times, I found that they're actually pretty fast, delivering your money within 1 or 2 business days. And Paysafe is pretty aptly named, featuring extra secure checkouts using end-to-end encryption, tokenization, and other fraud prevention tools. But on the flip side, Paysafe doesn't offer as many integrations as some other processors. Though they're still quite versatile, their in-store payments work with several terminals, and they also offer discounts for Clover devices. On top of that, their mobile app can even turn your smartphone into a payment device, which is particularly handy for business owners who are always on the go, like, say, a mobile pet groomer or delivery drivers. And based both on my experience with them and what I've read from some of the reviews, Paysafe generally receives positive feedback for its helpful customer service, simple processing, and low transaction fees. However, some customers have noted issues with the way their contracts were closed out, but overall, I'd say Paysafe is one of the best payment processors I've used. Their pricing is well suited for small businesses that handle few high-value transactions. But if you're running a larger operation with higher transaction volumes, you can negotiate significant discounts with their custom pricing plans, making Paysafe a good fit for any business size. Next up is Leaders Merchant Services, or LMS, which takes a slightly different approach. They provide standard payment processing for a wide range of businesses, as long as the business has a physical address and a checking account in the US. Powered by Paysafe, LMS uses the same highly secure authorized .NET gateway from Visa. They also offer deals on point-of-sale devices from well-known brands, so if you're interested in getting free equipment, it's worth discussing a long-term contract with them. And when it comes to pricing, LMS tends to be competitive, but they typically use a tiered pricing system that could end up being more expensive. To get the best deal, however, you should ask for their Interchange Plus pricing plan, which is the most transparent and cost-effective rate they offer. But make sure all fees and monthly charges are clearly stated in your contract, including their early termination fee of $250 to $350 if you decide to cancel their standard 3-year agreement early. But while Leaders might not be the ideal choice for everyone, especially with their holds on large transactions like big checks or international payments, they do have some unique offerings. They help businesses with cash flow issues by providing loans and merchant cash advances based on future sales projections. So if cash flow is a concern, LMS could be a good option. Just be sure to carefully read the fine print in their contract. Now, if any of these credit card processing services stick out to you and you want to try them out for yourself, then you can check out the affiliate links listed down in the description below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you'll get our discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their websites. All right, so if merchant account pricing schemes seem too confusing, then you might want to check out Stax. They're a flat rate subscription payment processor offering an all-in-one merchant solution. Stax handles all your swiped, your keyed, mobile, and contactless payments with the flexibility of month-to-month billing. It's an excellent option for small and mid-sized businesses because there are no hidden fees or long-term contracts, meaning no early termination fees either. The Stax Pay dashboard is very user-friendly and allows you to manage all your payment processing in one place. Plus, it includes tools for invoicing, billing, inventory, reporting, and e-commerce. Stax can save merchants up to 40% on processing fees with their membership plan that uses interchange plus pricing. You pay a monthly subscription fee based on your annual processing volume, starting at $99 if you process under $150 per year, $150K, and up to $199 a month if you process more than $250K annually. Adding the Interchange Plus transaction fee, the flat rate per transaction is 8 cents for swiped payments and 15 cents for online credit card transactions. This pricing structure works well for growing businesses, but if your annual transactions are below $20K, well, then this monthly rate may be too high. On top of that, Stax offers numerous integration options like syncing your QuickBooks data into their platform, which is absolutely convenient. They also provide additional features like compatible terminal hardware, next-day payouts, a mobile app, and shopping cart software. However, these services are only available to US-based merchants, and although some users have reported issues with customer service, overall Stax genuinely receives positive reviews for its ease of use, extra features, and fast processing times. So to sum things up, each of these credit card processing companies brings unique strengths to the table. Paysafe excels with its global reach and flexibility, offering around 250 payment options and competitive pricing, making it ideal for businesses of all sizes. Then LMS, or Leaders Merchant Services, stands out with its deals on point-of-sale equipment and expertise in high-risk sectors, offering valuable cash flow solutions. Though if you go with Stax, you'll get a straightforward flat-rate pricing model with no hidden fees, a comprehensive dashboard, and significant cost savings, making it ideal for growing businesses. Each company caters to different needs, so choosing the right one will depend on your specific business requirements, transaction volumes, and whether you value equipment deals, flat rate simplicity, or services specialized for high-risk ventures. So that wraps up this review. I hope this gave you a better idea of which credit card processing companies could work best for your business. And please let me know how it went if you choose one of these. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please give it a like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. And as a reminder, if you want to get started with any of these services, then you can check out the affiliate link in the description below at no extra cost and get a discount that you won't find on their website. As always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave your comments or questions down below, and I'll try to get back to them as fast as I can. Finally, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.